See what this code combat room is hiding. So again, we will use variables, while loops, if statements, and arguments. And obviously also glasses. Glasses help us to calculate the distance to the target. Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we have to measure how far is the enemy, and if it gets too close to us, we have to attack it. Otherwise, we have to move to X, Y, so certain coordinates, to stay close to the peasant. So we are protecting the peasant. If the enemy comes too close, we go there, attack it, and then go back and again stand close to the peasant and take care of him. So how do we measure the distance? We set a variable distance and we ask what is the distance. So this distance to enemy. Okay, so we have a variable enemy. It finds the nearest enemy. Then we have a variable distance. It calculates the distance to the enemy. And we say if the distance, so if the distance to the enemy is less than 10, then attack. Else, move to these coordinates. So we will use attack and move to the certain coordinates. Try to solve this room alone and then come back and check how we did it. Okay? So we have enemy distance. If the distance is less than 10, then this attack the enemy. Else, we stay close to the peasant, which means we go to the coordinates where this cross is, and the coordinates are 40, 37. So this move to 40, 37. 40, 37. Let's run the code. It's closer, we go there because it's too close. So if it comes closer than 10, we attack. Otherwise, we stay there. And I guess our code is working perfectly. Perfect. So as you see, because we are using the loop again, the hero is repeating everything the whole time. If we would use all these just once, it would actually just attack the first enemy that comes under distance 10 and then wouldn't do anything else. But because we are using the loop, the code inside of the loop is repeating and repeating and repeating, and then we also have if and else, and we also use ways to define the variables enemy and distance. So great job. Let's check it again. Perfect. And we can continue to the next level.